Hi guys, our first Stylized 3D challenge is finished. We didn't expect so many entries, over 120 plus people joined the challenge. We spent over 8 hours making reviews during live stream on YouTube with our amazing team of curators, Claire CJ and Kostya Perry. By the way, full videos available on our YouTube channel. And I want to say a huge thanks to everyone who was a part of this challenge. Without you guys, this would not happen. Our art community is strong, and we will conquer the world with our amazing artworks. Ha ha ha. And now let's move to the announcements. Community Award, the work that received the most likes at our Discord challenge room. And Sarah Baxi won it. Congratulations, well deserved. You did amazing work with that I Spell prose book, very interesting style and colors. Next ones are the honorable mentions. Let's check them out. Starting with Jane Soom, Cat's Potion Plays. Amazing attention to the details and storytelling, huge effort. Thanks for this entry, Jane. Magical Broomstick by Maya Desfor. Absolutely stunning shapes and so detailed juicy textures, I love it. Amazing work. And next one is a Druid Girl with the Oval by Lizzie Demin. I love the colors and the very unique and interesting design of the character. Great job. And now the winners. Third place goes to Kostya Zakuska with his incredible entry of Jin Azimus, the Keeper of Mirages. The most magical creature that we can imagine. If you will think how the Jinn should look, just check this guy. The second place goes to Vitaly Kovalenko and his amazing magical frog king who's having chill vibes while his potions are cooking. Master level hand painted textures here. Crazy attention to the different types of the skin. I absolutely love it. Let this guy cook. And the first place goes to Fabrice Rose Paturaux with absolutely epic artwork called Ashinori Altar. There's a huge storytelling behind this artwork and incredible concept work being made. Animations, effects, stunning textures and absolutely magical mood. Incredible effort and it's 10,000% worth it. Please don't stop. We want to see more cool stuff from you. Well deserved first place. Congratulations! Did you guys enjoy the challenge? Do you want more challenges? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Peace.